What is good, everyone? It is your boy DSG Panther. Today we are finally going to be changing the brake discs and the brake pads on my POLO GTI.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm
I do just quickly want to say, just before we get into this, that I do have the IBAC springs, which I have been telling you guys I'm going to be getting fitted for so long now. So I do actually have them, but we're just waiting to get these on because I just want to sort the brakes out first, and then obviously we will get the IBAC springs on. I've also got spacers going on as well, so when we put these bad boys on, it'll be sitting so much better. Alright, so yeah, let's go outside, let's have a look at the spacers and the brake pads and discs that I have got for the POLO. Alright guys, so as you can see, the car is all the way in here now, and it's actually on ramps. So this is like some hydraulic ramp thing that my dad had, so we've luckily managed to use it. And as you can see, the car is sitting all the way on it. So obviously on the front we will be fitting the brand new disc and the brand new pads, and also the front spacers, and then all the way on the back we will be fitting just the spacers because the rear pads and discs are perfect. So yeah, this is what we're all going to be working with. We are doing this tomorrow because today's Friday. We'll be doing this on Saturday. But yeah, so this is the wheel nut. So this is actually a wheel nut that just comes off literally just on the alloy, if the camera can focus. Yeah, so this is the wheel nut that comes off. It's literally just like a cover, and then you literally just have the standard bolts here. But obviously we've got the Forge, shout out to Forge, we actually have the Forge Motorsport spacers. So these are the Forge Motorsport spacers that will be going on. But you also get bolts with it that came here. So we have extended bolts. Now I did select these on the website and it said they fitted, so we have done 11mm on the front and 16mm on the back, so hopefully these are perfect. Yeah, that is the bolts. And then in here we have the discs. Now these are 312, I think so, I don't know. These are 312 discs that go on the front. These are by I think it's EBC, isn't it? Yeah, these are from EBC. Got these from EBC, shout out to EBC. I bought these from Demon Tweaks on their website. I'll leave the link to everything that we have brought in the description so you guys can do this all yourself, because there's no videos on YouTube on how to change the wheels and the pads. So we have actually already taken this wheel off just to make sure that the disc fits. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get into doing this. As you can see, we'll be starting from here. So essentially we're going to be taking the caliper off. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that bolt there, that one literally right in front of me as I've got my torch on it, with the dirt on it, that's the bolt that we're going to be taking out. And there's also one underneath it, you can see that, and then we can put the caliper and leave that up into the arch, and then we can take the disc off, make sure it's all good, and then we can swap the disc out for the new one, and then change the pad while we're already doing it, grease that, put that back on, put the Forge spacer on, bolt it up, and then we're done on this side. So yeah, let's get into a time lapse of it. I know this is going to be a bit of a long video, but it is what it is. This is going to be a longer video than normal because obviously, you know, I'm trying to show you guys how to do it and all that, so bear with me. It's going to be a very long video, but you know, I think you guys might like a bit of DIY for once. But yeah, so my dad's going to be helping me because I'm not touching brakes on my own, fuck that. But yeah, it's going to be a cool little video. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this. Please like and subscribe because it's going to be a sick video. The brakes need doing, and also the spacers are going to help it when we lower it. But yeah, let's get into let's get into it. All right, let's just get into it. All right, so we've taken the caliper off, with one side of the caliper, and then we've got the other side of the caliper here. We are taking both of the bolts off on the back to take that out, which will be taking that out and then cleaning that so we can actually get all the, you know, the horrible brake dust and shit off it, because otherwise there's no point putting the disc on. Now this disc was actually horrible. This was what was on it, and it's actually already skipping on the sides, so it was definitely good that we changed these because these disc brakes are looking dead. Well, obviously we've got the new ones going on, but yeah, just look at the state of that. And this is the pads as well. The pads weren't too bad, but obviously no one's changed these since I've got the car, or since the car's been out, so they definitely need doing. So here we've actually got the new disc on. It literally just fitted over it, so easy to do. And now these are actually the new brake pads that we have to go on. They literally just clip back into where you already put them. So as you can see here, they just, one goes on the left, one goes on the right. The one with the metal clip goes on the inside of the car, the one without the metal clip goes on the outside. Make sure you do grease it up. Obviously here we are greasing up. So this one will go on the inside, so closest to the car. The other one will go on the outside. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can get all the stuff we're using. This is the lube that we are using for it, Pro Slip. And boom, look at that. Looks so good. Also got the spacer on top, obviously. Alright guys, the spacers and the brakes are finally done. Now we're just going to go out for a little test run to make sure everything is alright on the car. But honestly, this car looks so much better with these spacers on. I definitely recommend them. Just go and get them from, I think it's Awesome GTI I got them from, shout out to them. But yeah man, fitment so much better, especially on the back. Honestly, let's go out and make sure these brakes are alright, because otherwise we ain't going anyway.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums.
Alright guys, so the car is finally done now. We've now got 11mm spacers on the front, 16 on the back, and the brand new brake discs are on from EBC. This car is looking absolutely sick. Massive shout out to my dad for helping me do this, going for him here. And yeah, honestly, this car is looking so much better. As you can see, we've got 11mm spacer on the front from Forge. Look at that. That is looking so much better now. And then on the back, we've got a 16mm spacer from Forge as well. Just brings that arch cap out a little bit. And obviously on the front we have the brand new EBC discs and the EBC pads. The yellow pads are the ones that we've got on this car. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a pretty long detailed video on it wasn't really a tutorial, but I was just kind of showing you guys I was changing the pads. Any questions, let me know in the comments, because there's nothing on this car. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Get me to 2K, we are so close right now. But yeah, hope you guys are going to enjoy more content from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.